So we're trying to, to erase these scars. We're trying, we're trying to make roomy, but I don't know how. Oh my gosh! Comment if you're Tagalog in the comments. Oh my gosh, it's so ugly. I use my lipstick to make this. The jacket and the diamonds. So new, so new. I will say if I'm finished. Bye, guys. So I'm done, guys. Erase it. That's not a lipstick. It's just filter. So oh my gosh. I'm so pretty. So we're done on the filter. It's just a prank, it's just a filter. So here's here and I'm in the Philippines, in Calamba. Sabihin natin Korea. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back, but now I see all the beauty and the broken glass. These curse to follow me, darkness and harmony. The song we couldn't write, is this what it sounds like? We're shouting silence. Biggest is the money pointy of $20 in the Philippines. He is, in this filter, he is Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. In Tagalog, ginawa niya po to. But this is